Hey guys, this is Manoj from sportsdeal.com.au. Today we have a pool cue from Palco, and it's a Grafex cue, Grafex tournament, as you can see. So we're just gonna have a look. So it's a half joint. You're gonna see how straight the cue is. So we're gonna roll it on my bench here and see, rolls perfectly fine. Feels pretty smooth. And at the back there's a weight system where you can unscrew the back part. It comes off and there's little weights that you can adjust. So if you look at these weights, you can remove these weights as you want it. So for example, if you want a lighter cue, so this becomes a bit lighter, screws back on, pretty handy. There you go. Very nice finish, and we have plenty in stock. So go to sportsdeal.com.au and buy and get one of these. If you like pool, they come with a very nice tip, so you don't have to do the tips when they come. Ready to play, and has a silver ferrule, which is pretty cool. The design is nice. There you go, guys. A nice cue.